We stand together, proud and tall. Our happy school welcomes all. Hands on hearts, voices strong. We sing our school's joyful song.
Kindness, courage, truth and care, we promise these everywhere. Helping friends, doing right, learning with our hearts so bright.
Oh, our school, we sing for you. Red, green, yellow, shining blue. We will learn and we will grow. Together strong, together we glow. Books and dreams side by side. Teachers guide us with pride. Every day we try our best. Hard work makes our future blessed. Oh, our school, we sing today. Respect, learn, and always play. Friends forever, hearts so true. Our bright future starts with you.
Stand up straight, voices high. Let our school anthem touch the sky.
Oh, our school, we sing for you. Red, green, yellow, shining blue. We will learn and we will grow together strong.